Hi everyone, it's Sintang Mayumi here. Today's project is another Christmas tags using art impressions, singing snowman, stamp and die set. This set is supposed to be 3D pop-up that you can use inside your card, but I'm not going to use it as intended. I'm going to use it on tags and use foam tape to pop them up. Here I already have my stamps arranged on the paper, and then I just picked that up with the lid of my Misty. Ink them up with VersaFine Onyx Black ink, and the paper I'm using is Strathmore watercolor paper. After the stamping is done, I'm going to color them with my Zig Clean Color Real Brush markers. I'm just going to color one of the snowmen, and I will paper piece the scarf with pattern paper. Here I'm going to use this plaid paper, and then I will stamp part of the snowman with VersaFine Onyx Black ink, and then I will fussy cut this, and then I will adhere this on top of the colored snowman. I'm going to add a little bit of glue and adhere the scarf. I'm also going to add a shadow on the scarf with my gray marker. And now let's go ahead and die cut the snowman, colored snowman with the coordinating die set. And I'm just taping them so they don't move when I run them through my die cutting machine. I'm going to use some of this pattern papers from this paper pad. I think I got this paper. This is an old paper pad that I have in my stash. I got it, I think, from Tuesday morning. I'm going to die cut my pattern papers with this die here, and this tag die is a quoted die from Paper Tree Ink. I also die cut 110-pound cream cardstock, so my tags are sturdy. And now I'm going to stamp a sentiment on the lower part, and then to and from on the left corner of the tag. And here I'm going to add my foam tape, and then I'm going to start assembling them on top of each other. I'm going to distress the edges of my tag using vintage photo distress ink using my finger dabber, and I'm also going to distress the back of this tag. And now we can finally adhere our singing snowman on top of the tag. I have some scraps of pattern paper, so I will just add them under the sentiment. I added some jingle bells on the tags and used some red and white twine from my stash. And here are my completed Christmas tags. I love how these ones turned out. I forgot to mention that I'm also participating in Jill Norwood's Saturday Morning Makes. All the links will be in my description box below. But I hope you enjoy this video and like these tags, and as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye bye.